Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, fellow humans. And you know that we did explore Al-Awwal, and today we are exploring the beautiful attribute of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, Al-Akhir. So, Al-Awwal is the first, and Al-Akhir means the last. Allah is the last. We cannot say that He is after the after, because He cannot be compared to that which would then precede Him. As He has no beginning, He also has no end. He is eternal. All existence has two ends, a beginning when it is created, born, and an end when it dies and disappears. Allah is the first because He has created the first existence from nothing. He is the last because when all disappears, only He will exist. Everyone upon it passes away, and there endures forever the face of Thy Lord of glory and honor. Surah Rahman, ayat 26 to 27. All existence will return to Allah. The circle of being begins and ends with Him. There is nothing before Him, and there is nothing after Him. The faithful know that all they have, material and spiritual, belongs to Allah and will return to Him. We ourselves will return to Him and will have to give an accounting of how we used and cared for that which was lent to us temporarily. The actions of the good servant from beginning to end are performed for Allah's sake, for His good pleasure, and in the name of good servantship. It is proper to read, recite, and consider the attributes Al-Awwal, the first, Al-Akhir, the last, together, because the meaning is like a circle where the first and the last are one. So who is Abdul Akhir? Abdul Akhir is the servant who knows that everything has an end except Allah Most High, who is the only eternal one. Such a person works to lose the temporal self in the eternity of the Lord. Believers who recite this name 100 times a day will eventually stop fooling themselves and see the truth, the real reality. If one is being attacked by an enemy and one recites Ya Akhir 800 times, the aggressor will withdraw. One who recites it 1,000 times will have his heart filled with the love of the God. Recitation of this name 1,000 times on Friday will help to increase one's sustenance. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.